Hello friends, we are happy to share that we'll be launching a new fund offer, HDFC Dividend Yield Fund. It is an equity oriented fund and we believe it is a good time to consider this fund. HDFC Dividend Yield Fund is an open-ended equity oriented fund which aims to generate capital appreciation over a long period of time by investing into equity and equity related instrument of dividend yielding companies. Dividend yielding companies are typically the businesses which are mature, which are having relatively stable business model. They generate relatively high cash flow and they are less volatile. As you can see in the graph, the Nifty high yielding companies have outperformed the Nifty 50 over a long period of time. So typically a dividend yield is an dividend yield opportunity which a typical investor looks at is like they want consistent reward over a period of time. So generally lower interest rate favors the dividend yielding opportunities. Today we are in a multi-year lows interest rate period where we have seen the interest rate have fallen dramatically over the last 4-5 years, and today as you can see the 1 year GSEC and the dividend paid by the Nifty 50 opportunities dividend index has shrunk between 5.5% to minus 0.4%, as the lower interest rate regime really favors the valuation of dividend yielding companies. As the RBI is supporting the interest rate policy, so we believe this will really help to the investor. Second point is that the valuation difference between the Nifty dividend opportunity 50 index and Nifty 50 index is at multi-year high. So as we have seen over long period, there are periods where both the valuations have converged, like in 2016-17. So like in 2011-12, the gap between Nifty dividend opportunity 50 index and Nifty 50 index was very high, which really converged by 2016-17. Now again in 2020 we are seeing this valuation gap is highest in the history which is available to us. So it can converge over period, so which may help create wealth for the investor. Third point which is like due to change in taxation structure, many companies are going for buyback, and the buyback helps to create wealth for the investor, as it reduces the number of shares and free float and also improves the EPS of the company over period. The HDFC Dividend Yield Fund is going to invest at least 65% of the assets into the businesses which have paid dividend or buyback in one of the last 3 preceding financial years at the time of investing. The companies may either be paying dividend or doing the buyback in lieu of paying cash or in addition to paying the cash. But the preference in the portfolio will be given to the companies A, having track record of consistent dividend payment, B, they have higher dividend yield than the Nifty 50 index. The fund is likely to be sector and market cap agnostic. So there are plenty of opportunities which is available to invest for us in the marketplace. I will try to bucket these opportunities into 4 buckets. First, we will be investing into the companies which have stable business model, stable cash flow. B, will be investing in the company where we expect that the profit are likely to grow over time and which may lead to increase in dividend for the shareholders. Third, the buyback opportunities. Fourth, there are certain companies available into mining, utilities and financial sector where dividend yield is 1 time to 2 times of current GSEC yield. So we have plenty of opportunities available even in Nifty 500 index to deploy in our fund. So this fund is well suited for the investors which are looking for a well diversified portfolio of dividend yielding companies and which has positioned on risk profile term between large cap and large and mid cap category. If the risk profile of the investors matches with the investment objective of the fund, investors should consider to invest in this fund for minimum 3 years period. This year 2020 has been a great challenging year for all of us, and every crisis throws up lots of opportunities. We should learn from it and move ahead on a positive note. Thank you.
NFO period November 27th, 2020 to December 11th, 2020. Please get in touch with your RM or reach out to us on kleiser@hdfcfund.com. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.